You're going to love our new app update. Now, within the mobile app, you can edit your email snippets. This feature is going to allow you to easily edit email snippets directly within the mobile device, enhancing flexibility and efficiency. As far as benefits go, this is going to add to convenience. Now you can edit email snippets on the go, ensuring timely updates. It's also going to create additional flexibility because now you can make those quick changes without even needing to access your desktop. And this is going to add to efficiency because you can streamline your email marketing efforts by managing content from anywhere. As far as practical use, now while you're traveling or away from your laptop and you realize that you need to update a snippet in your email campaign, you are going to be able to do that with this new update. Now you can quickly edit and save the changes right within your mobile device. So first, let's go ahead and access the mobile app. Once you're in the mobile app, go to the Conversations section and click the plus button. Go ahead and click on New Email. From there, click on the three-dot kebab, and this is going to allow you to access those attachments. Now go ahead and click on Snippets. Choose your email. Simply edit the email. And that's it. This feature enhances the flexibility and the efficiency of managing email campaigns right within the mobile app of the CRM. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.